Is inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, genetic? Colorectal health risk. Imagine a puzzle where some pieces are inherited, but others are shaped by your environment. That's similar to how IBD develops. Inflammatory bowel disease, which includes Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, has a strong genetic component, but it's not caused by genes alone. It results from a complex mix of genetic mutations and environmental factors that together trigger an abnormal immune response in the intestines. Scientists have identified many genes linked to IBD. The most well-known is the NOD2 gene, which helps recognize bacteria in the gut and activate immune defenses. Mutations in NOD2 are strongly associated with Crohn's disease. Other important genes include ATG16L1 and IRGM, which are involved in autophagy, a process where cells destroy harmful bacteria and viruses. Variations in these genes can impair immune regulation and lead to ongoing inflammation in the intestines. Genome-wide studies have found over 200 genetic variations related to IBD risk. However, these known genes only explain about 20 to 25% of the heritability. That means many genetic factors are still unknown or work together with environmental influences. Family and twin studies support the idea that genetics play a role, as relatives of IBD patients are at higher risk. Even gut microbiota profiles, the bacteria living in our intestines, are influenced by genetics, adding another layer to the story. But genetics are just part of the picture. Environmental factors like smoking, diet, living in urban areas, and imbalances in gut bacteria can interact with genetic predispositions to trigger IBD. The immune system in people with IBD mistakenly attacks healthy bowel tissue, causing inflammation and damage. Recent research points to genes like ETS2 that regulate inflammatory responses in immune cells called macrophages, which contribute to gut inflammation. When it comes to colon health, chronic inflammation from IBD increases the risk of colorectal cancer over time. The ongoing immune activity and tissue damage can cause changes in the lining of the colon, making cancer more likely. Managing inflammation through proper medical treatment is essential to lower this risk. Regular screening for colorectal cancer is recommended for those with long-standing IBD to catch any early signs of precancerous changes. In summary, IBD is partly genetic but also heavily influenced by environmental and immune factors. Its genetic basis involves multiple genes that affect immune responses and how gut bacteria interact. Because of the persistent inflammation, people with IBD need ongoing medical care and regular screenings to protect their colon health. If you or someone you know has IBD, it's important to work closely with healthcare professionals to develop a personalized management plan. Remember, understanding your unique risk factors can help you stay proactive about your colon health and overall well-being.